In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, de. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. So this lesson is about the preposition de, and the preposition de can be translated in English in various ways depending on the context, including from, of, and about. So we will see 4 sentences with the preposition de. Elle est originaire de Paris. Elle est originaire de Paris. J'ai besoin de ton aide. J'ai besoin de ton aide. Il s'agit de respect. Il s'agit de respect. La maison de mon ami est grande. La maison de mon ami est grande.